Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding and copying your Roblox user ID on Roblox for iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In order to copy your Roblox profile URL on iPhone and iPad, you need to do it with a web browser, not within the Roblox app. To do that, close the Roblox app and open up a web browser such as Safari or Chrome. In the browser, go to roblox.com. On the homepage of Roblox, tap Continue in Browser. You'll now need to log in to your Roblox account if you're not already signed in. Tap Continue in Browser. Once you're logged in, tap your username from the top of the page to load your profile page. Now that you are on your profile page, tap on the URL bar of the browser to see the URL. This URL is the link to your Roblox profile. You can copy the link and share it with other people. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.